My name is Nurse Sherry, and today we're going to be going over the CNA Testable Skills, donning and removing PPE. So the first thing we're going to do is gather our supplies. So what we need for this skill is one isolation gown and one pair of gloves. All right, the first thing you're going to do is state washing your hands. The next thing you're going to do is grab your gown. When you grab your gown, make sure that your arms are all the way open and that you do not touch any part of the gown on your body when you're applying it. And then you're going to place each arm in and make sure that you do not shake the gown as you put it on as well. The first thing you're going to tie is your top ties. And you want to make sure that you're tying them tight enough that it's covering all of your clothing. So the next part that I do is I'll take the gown and I will wrap it around. And this should ensure that you're covering all of your clothing. And then you will tie this portion. They have two different sizes of gowns, so make sure you get the appropriate size for you to make sure that you can cover as much clothing as possible. Then the next step is to apply the gloves. Now the critical step here is making sure that this portion of the glove this portion of the isolation gown is in the glove. So when I apply it, I put it right here on my palm, and you can even hold it with your pinky like this. And then apply the glove. And as you can see, my isolation gown goes up to here inside the glove. Then I'm going to apply the second glove. And once you have this done, you're just going to show your evaluator like this. And then your next step is going to be removing the gown. So when you're removing the gown, the first thing that you remove is your gloves. And you want to make sure that you're removing them the proper way. And the proper way would be to pinch the center portion of this glove and pull it off. And I'm going to scrunch it into this hand. And then I'm going to put 2 fingers under this glove. And this is a critical step. And I'm going to go upward. I'm going to put this in the trash can. And then the next thing I'm going to do is remove my gown. So I'm going to untie the top. And you want to make sure you're not touching because the outside of your gown is what's dirty. So in the evaluation, you can either rip them or you can untie them. Now the next critical step is going to be to make sure that when you're removing the gown, to place this in, your hand is clean because you took off your gloves, but outside of this is dirty. So you're going to place this hand inside here and go down, and then take the other portion and go down. Once you get them out, then you need to roll the gown so that all you're touching is the clean stuff. And then you're going to dispose of that in the trash can, and then you're going to state washing my hands, skill complete. Thank you for watching my channel, and please subscribe.